Alofa tamaiti. And you told Tusi Paia, did you all bring Bible to Sunday school today? You have supposed to have two Bibles, right? The English version and Samoan version. But let's hold on off the Samoan version. Our lesson today comes from the Bible, the book of Genesis. Turn all your Bible to the book of Genesis 17, verses 5 and 6. And then we go to 15 and 16 after 5 and 6. I'm le failisimo mua ile faiwe lima maleono na ole le lima masfigono umola na faitau le faiu fa barani ya ona tato faitau fa atasi ile Tusi Paia Samoa. I guess we all have some one Bible here, right? Right, children? Okay. Let's start our lesson for today. It is Genesis 17, verses 5 and 6. I'll read in it comes from the Holy Bible NIV. Okay? Let's start our lessons. It comes from verses 5. No longer will you be called Abram. Your name will be Abraham, for I have made you a father of many nations. I will make you very fruitful and will make nations of you, and kings will come from you. And then verses 15 and 16, God also said to Abraham, as for Sarai, your wife, you are no longer called her Sarai. Her name will be Sarah. I will bless her and will surely give you a son by her. I will bless her so that she will be the mother of nations. Kings of peoples will come from her. Okay, children, now, Sue umata Tusi Paia ele Tusi Samoa. Ya Kenese. Everybody knows where Kenese is? Children? Yeah. Sue ya Kenese Sufitu, Paiuelima. Ono ya Msiila ile Sufulima Masfuono. Amawa Tatu Faisal Fatasi. Ya. Verse 15 and 16. Right out. Thank you. Our lesson comes from the reading that we just finished today. And someone here, the teacher will come and explain. Thank you.
Thank you, Auntie Lotso, for the reading of the lesson, the Bible reading. All right, kids, are we having fun yet? Okay. Are you having fun yet? No. Okay. Are you just awake? No. You should be. You were given goodies, candies. I know you were told not to, but I know some of you are so sneaky. I know you done already ate a couple of pieces, right? Yeah. So don't act like you haven't eaten your candy yet. So wake up, wake up. Wait, do we need to stand up? me have you guys stand up and run a few laps. Okay. Okay. So before we continue on with our current lesson, we're going to do a little review. Remember our lesson from last week? Our lesson from last week is what again? Abraham obeyed God, right? Aperamo sa usi ile atua. Come on, kids, you know better than that. Or we can say Abraham was a very obedient man, right? Do we remember where Abram, do we remember his dad's name? Does anybody remember that from last week? Starts with the letter T. Say that again. Terra. And then what about the village? Do we remember where he's from? Where? Yes, he's from Uro or right? Okay, so what was Abram's wife's name? Remember. Say that again. Wait a minute. Okay, this side, I'm hearing you. This side, what was Abram's wife's name? Okay, the only two students here. Wait, what about this side? Can I hear you? Okay, it's not right. It's Sarai. Some of you say right. Sarai, okay? So this week, our lesson for this week is the changing of the names from Abram to Abraham, and then going from Sarai or Sarai to Sarah, right? Okay, so earlier on, we played a little game, right? And what was that game again, kids? Changing your given name, right? Yeah, see, this young man right here in the very back. Young man in the very back right here. The youngest man in our class are your given name at birth. Did you ever think about what does it mean?
He doesn't know his name.
Can you please, this young man, can you please help him? His name, was there a significance? Was there an importance to that name? The reason why mom and dad didn't do that?
Mila Pia. Missionary Papua. Sa Faiaoga grandpa. Sa Faiaoga missionary Papua. On Faiaoga leo Natali Yamila. On Fasamola ole Mila. Jadi no ada wingor Mila. Ale mo mai mo na missionary.
Thank you, young